Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your tools are ready. Install the Dart SDK and Vscode, then add the Dart extension. Once installed, open Vscode and create a new project folder. Use the terminal command Dart create. To scaffold a basic app, this gives you the proper file layout and pub spec. YAML, make sure Dart version reports the expected release. After scaffolding, open lib/main. Dart to see the entry point, so you can run and iterate immediately. Next, configure execution and debugging so you can develop quickly. Once your project is open, choose the Dart configuration in the Run panel and verify launch settings in Launch. JSON if needed. Start the app with F5 or the debug toolbar. Watch the debug console for logs and errors. Use the built-in terminal for pubget and Dart analyze. When editing UI or logic, trigger hot reload. Press R in supported sessions or use the extension button to see changes without restarting the whole process. To finish, validate and package your work. Run Dart analyze to catch issues, then Dart test for unit checks. Once tests pass, build or publish as required. If something goes wrong, like the debugger not attaching or commands failing, confirm the Dart SDK path in your environment variables and launch. JSON entries. Make sure the extension version matches SDK compatibility. Use the Problems panel and Debug console to trace stack traces. Fix the top error first, then rerun analysis and tests to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.